Welcome, I'm Phil, I'm using OPPO Reno 6 and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool. One of those comes provided with a device in a box so you can get it from there, but you can also use a paper clip if you can't find it. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you get one of those, you're going to pop out the tray which is located at the bottom of the device. Now you can kind of see that there are two different holes. You want to make sure that you push on this one where the tray is. So the one that is basically part of the tray. So you can see once you push on it, it will pop out. And from here, take it out and like me, just kind of drop it. Fortunately, it didn't fall far. So there we go. And as you can see on the tray, you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. So you can do it either on this side or on this side. It's completely up to you which side you want to take up. And once you're placing the card on there, make sure that the chip is upside so you can see it. And from there, insert it back into the device. Now my SIM card does have a pin, as you can see it tells me to confirm it, so I'll do that. And there we go, SIM card is now unlocked. So that is how you would insert it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.